Hello and welcome to 3.1 Lab 3. Go ahead and open up this file in your browser and in Visual Studio and make the necessary changes to the student section there. And let's take a look at what our lab steps are going to have us do. After the code, your code starts after this line, we need to have a variable section, assignment section, calculations, and output section. And then what we're ultimately going to do is we want the output to be like this. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and then a total. But notice my numbers are not the same as the example. We're going to get numbers from the end user, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. So first, in the variables section, we need 4 variables: a total, a number 1, number 2, number 3. We're not going to assign initially anything to the total. We're going to assign 10 initially to number 1 and nothing to number 2, number 3. So in your code, what you're going to want to do, I can get my mouse to working, is you're going to want to, in your variables section, do your var total, number 1 equal to number 10, number 2, and number 3. Then we need an assignment section. We're going to assign the number 25 to number 2, and then we're going to prompt to get the end user for a value of number 3, and then we got to remember to convert that to a number. So we assign 25 to number 2, we're prompting for number 3, and then we got to convert number 3 to a number since we're going to be doing some calculations. Then in our calculations section, we're going to add all the 3 numbers together and put the results in the total variable. So all we have to do is on our total variable equal to number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3. Then we need to display all 3 numbers in our output section and a total on the page. So we need some document write statements for number 1, number 2, number 3. So document write line or write statements, depending on how you want to do it. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and then our total on the page. And what you get when you do that is if I refresh this, it says please enter a number. If I enter the number 100, it'll say number 1 is 10, number 2 is 25, number 3 is 100, the total is 135. So that'll change based on what the end user enters. So if I enter the number 6, it'll be 10, 25, 6, 41. So in this case, we're using math and operators to get information from the end user and do some basic calculation of that. If you have any questions, let me know, and happy coding.